Computer science at University of South Wales
is a practical course, engaging course.
It's real. There are real tasks, there are real problems to solve, and our graduates get real jobs.
Our computer science is quite a broad course, so we teach you all different aspects of computer science. We look into things like cybersecurity, programming skills, SQL, ERD.
It's not just about learning to program, learning the algorithms. It's about being able to see that problem, solve that problem, think about the problem, tell somebody else about how you're solving the problem and discuss that with them, and then take that forward into implementing a safe, reliable solution.
We teach things like Python, R, which is more statistical-based programming, C++, C#. We also give you the opportunity to learn whatever language you want in one of our modules.
A lot of the assessment and the tasks also drive from our industry partners, so we take ideas from companies that we work with or from people who've approached us, and we feed those in.
There's an open end of careers and jobs available.
There are obvious paths for students, which is to go into software development roles, and quite often into software development teams. We have people who've graduated the course who go into data science roles. And in fact, we have a graduate from our course who's Chief of Data Science for Nottingham Forest Football Club, which is pretty impressive.
The most positive aspects of this course is very personal, so we get to know students on a one-to-one level, and that's something that we find is one of our key values.